Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Welcome to 500 Flights and Counting. Today we're going to be pouring those molds. It was time for the concrete foundation walls to be installed. Earlier in the day, they'd installed the rebar for the foundation walls. When I arrived that afternoon, I thought they were done for the day. Then, in the late afternoon, a truck arrived with the concrete foundation forms to be bolted together. There were a lot of workers on site, and they installed those concrete foundation forms pretty quickly. Once the forms were in place, the walls were ready to be poured. I got the chance to get my drone up in the air, and I felt comfortable to fly over the site as the concrete was being poured into the concrete foundation forms. I kept the drone at a safe height, and I made small movements. I made sure that I kept the drone away from the workers as I flew over the site. Even though it appears that I was flying directly over the workers, I discovered that the camera's angle would give a perspective of being directly over when you're actually not. Using both the ground-based and aerial filming, I was able to put an action film together that told the story of concrete being poured into the foundation forms. After the concrete had dried, the workers had showed up to remove the pins holding the concrete foundation forms together. As they removed the forms, they also knocked off the excess concrete that came out of the molds. I thought the removal of the molds was going to take a lot longer. But once the pins and the excess concrete were removed, the foundation forms were easily separated and removed off the site. At the end of the day, I filmed the foundation. Note, at the bottom lip of the foundation pour to the foundation wall. That is the area the concrete slab is going to be poured.